Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix we couldn't verify your country, YouTube Premium. So I'm trying to subscribe to YouTube Premium, and suddenly I get hit with this error saying we couldn't verify your country, which is great because now instead of watching videos, I'm troubleshooting geography. Usually, this happens when your account location, payment method, or IP address don't match. So the first thing I do is check if I'm using a VPN because yeah, YouTube does not like that. I turn it off, refresh the page, and try again. Next, I head into my Google account settings and double check my country and payment profile. Everything needs to match, including the card I'm using. If your payment method is from a different country, that alone can trigger the error. If it still doesn't work, it'll clear my browser, cache, or just switch to the mobile app. It weirdly works better sometimes. Don't keep changing your country settings randomly because Google limits how often you can do it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.